Interesting price action, very, very choppy. Market is really trying to create support around this level ever since Monday's lows, trying to hold up these levels, and you continue to see chop right here. You see patterns in the short term for natural distribution and short term or longer term selling, and then you see spikes on news, buy the dips, trying to buy the news in front of any stimulus agreement or earnings, and so that continues to be the case. You can see this on 1 minute charts. It's really, really challenging when you see this kind of chop. And so what is really happening here is the VIX, in my opinion. Let's look at the VIX. We see the VIX in this range between 25 and 30. Every time it gets up near 30, the market tends to go up, and when it goes down to 25, it starts to sell off. And so sell signals at 25, buy signals at 30 is what we are seeing in this market, and starting to see that again. Market's up at 30, and you're seeing some buy signals coming in as a VIX threshold for highest levels. Let's look at this on a longer term. Let's look at 60 minutes. So it's been at this level many times, and it's rejected around 30 many times. Here is the 30 level on the VIX. Market continues to get rejected, meaning that's where the market finds support. There's an inverse relationship between the VIX and the stock market. And so you see this market trying to rally here, all this chop down here. You see it in the ES right here, just massive efforts to hold it up at these levels for the last 3 days. It's kind of a long time to hold the market up, but we will see. The advancers and decliners are negative on the day. Interesting move in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is higher, significantly higher, making highs on the year. Here is the beginning of the year right here. It's making new highs on the year. Good breakout trade. Right as we go into the election, gold is higher on the day. You see how gold has moved up to the 1927 level with a high of 1936. So you have Bitcoin and gold making highs. VIX trying to break through 30, it would seem. The Pavlovic dip buyers are treating this as support on stocks and looking to buy here. But as we go into the election, it could be a little tricky. We could have some steeper selling in the market, and so could see a higher VIX along with the higher Bitcoin price, higher gold price, something to look for in the market. Lower prices in equities if they can successfully break down these current levels, and VIX can establish ground above 30. Choppy trading while we're in this zone though right here, going through some normal drawdowns. Wanted to give you that midday update on the market.